Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Instagram when it won't let you use audios for Reels. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to post better Reels with audio. So, just go ahead and tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen, swipe right. So I'm gonna tap on it, and then tap on Reel. Now tap on Camera, or you can choose from these recents. So I'm gonna tap on Camera, and as you can see on the left side of the screen there's audio, so tap on that, and now you can see a bunch of music. You can also search for music, and I think every song is on here. I'm not sure, but you can go ahead and search, and once you search for it, just tap on it and then tap on select and then record your video. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.